Hello everyone, welcome to EPIC's Aircraft Mechanics School. This is FI5, or Facts in 5 Minutes. Our topic today is reference terms. Now, the pilot's seat is where everything is referenced from. On an aircraft, the pilot's seat is on the left side. Unless you're in a helicopter, then the pilot sits on the right side. Now, the aircraft's left may be on your right. If you're ground personnel looking at the aircraft, its left could be to your right hand. Engine identification is numbered from the pilot's side. If an aircraft has more than one engine, they are numbered 1, 2, 3, and so on from the left side to the right side. If the aircraft has only 2 engines, again, the number 1 engine will be left, the number 2 engine will be right. Most modern aircraft have a nose landing gear and 2 main landing gear. The acronym for main landing gear is MLG. The acronym for nose landing gear, NLG. Now, the landing gear, if it has multiple tires, is also numbered from left to right and from front to back. Inboard and outboard are terms that are used when referencing engines, tires, or other components. Outboard is from the fuselage toward the wingtips. Inboard is from the wingtips toward the fuselage. In the diagram shown here, you can see that engines number 1 and 4 are the outboard engines. Engines 2 and 3 are the inboard engines. Upper and lower refer to top and bottom. The top is referred to as upper, the bottom lower. Upper and lower can be viewed or referenced either from the side or front to back. The same terms used to reference the whole aircraft can be used to reference a part of the aircraft or a component. Such as in this diagram, you see the right wing. That right wing may be referenced with inboard and outboard and forward and aft. Well, folks, that's just about it for Facts in 5 today. We'll see you next time.